up? It's Lish. Today we're doing a try-on haul, and it's Lorvae, baby. So without further ado, let's get started. For those that don't know, Lorvae is a sunglass company by Dearra, and this is her second drop ever, okay? Her fall collection. And I didn't buy the entire collection, but I did buy 4 out of the 7. So I can give you like a good idea. As you can see, I'm opening this right now in front of you. So we're gonna see what these look like together. All right. That's what we're working with, okay? If you do get the full collection, make sure you get it as a collection. Don't buy them individually because you'll save yourself some money and you get like a cool little catalog book looking box that comes with the collection, and I kind of wish I had it, but at the same time I didn't want every single pair, so I settled for these 4. This Lorvae dropped at this time and I'm getting it today, and it's Friday. It's Friday, October 28th. It's the 28th, so it was super fast. Given I was like one of the probably the first people to check out that day. Like as soon as the website opened, I was like click 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 pay, because for those that were there for the very first Lorvae drop, it sold out within a few minutes, right? So I'm still traumatized from that. So I didn't have to do all that, but I did. And maybe that's part of the reason why I'm one of the first to get my box, get my package. Okay. Comes with a bag for the glasses and a cloth for wiping the lenses. Okay, it looks like we're starting with a pair of, this is Unbothered Denim. And this one is kind of special. There's a reason I got these, right? So let me give y'all a better look. Try not to smudge it. I don't want to smudge it. Not just yet. That's what we're working with. So it looks like inside. Lorvae, Unbothered. For those that don't know, okay, I'm an SG Rho. I'm a Sigma Gamma Rho soror. I'm a member of that sorority. I'm a poodle, okay? Our colors are royal blue and gold. So, honey, that's why. One of the main reasons why I bought these. Also because we were founded in 1922 and it's 2022, so it's our centennial year, you know, about to be up in Indiana, just going crazy. So I wanted to make sure I had some shades that kind of matched the overall look of things, and that's why when I saw this color combo, I was like, oh, yeah, I need them, because I'm an extra. So this is what these look like on me. So yeah, y'all, this is kind of a close-up of what it looks like on my face. The yellow lenses kind of still allow you to see a lot of my facial features. And I like that. I like to be able to see my face sometimes through the shades. I like the glossy look. I like having the logo on the sides as usual. So I'm feeling these, y'all. They do kind of cover my eyebrows, but you can still kind of see my eyebrows if you're like, I guess if you're shorter than me, I don't know. Either way, I'm feeling these shades. These are the Unbothered. At the end, I'll kind of give all of these a rating, not like out of 10, but rather which ones I like the most to the least. Drum roll, please. Oh, which one is it? Okay, I can already see. These are the green ones, okay? And I have a special place in my heart for like hunter green on my skin tone, okay? This is Patty. This is Patty. That's the name of the sunglass. Okay. First look. So it kind of starts out chunky on the sides and kind of becomes skinny as it goes towards your ear. The lenses themselves are pretty goggle-like, like they're pretty wide. And the lens have a slight brown tint to them. Let's see what it looks like on my face. Ooh, they feel interesting because like it's really like wrapping around my face. The goggle-esque look, I feel like that has to grow on me a little bit, to be honest. I don't know. I kind of like it. It's just giving goggle to me, you know what I'm saying? They're a color that I wear often, so I'm gonna give this some time to grow on me. Moving on to the next pair. Ooh, I know what these are. This is Unbothered in the color Scarlet. So like those first shades I wore that were denim, that go with my sororities colors, this is red, which is my favorite color, just in general, in life. Let's take a look at these. Ooh! I'm in love already. I'm just excited from the color, and I like the transparency of it too. Oh, let me show you the inside. Unbothered, Lorvae. On my face she go. Yep. Yep. These are some of my favorite shades already. I mean, the color just, it's the color for me. Like, I like the style and the color. Like, the red, like, it's my favorite color. It's hard to go wrong with red for me specifically. But I love not only that it's red, that it's translucent, and that you kind of still have a gradient of like deep red to like more clear, transparent of a red at the bottom. Okay, time for the last pair, and then I'll give y'all my order of love to like. Let's say that. And the last pair that I ordered, you guys, is What's Tea. Like, you know, tea that you sipping tea. This is called What's Tea. Like, what's the tea? What you gotta tell me? I'm excited for these ones because they are brown and they give me like early 2000s, and I'm somebody that's just constantly stuck in the 90s, stuck in the old days. So like this gives me 90s and early 2000s. This is what we're working with. Huh? Ooh, the color, I love the color already. Okay, calm down. Okay, this is What's Tea. It is pretty curved at the front, I'll say. Like if you look at it from this angle, the glasses aren't like this, they're literally curved like that. See what they look like on. Just so you all see What's Tea, Lorvae. Ooh, ooh, okay. Definitely feel interesting. I kind of almost feel like my lashes are kind of in the way, to be honest, of these glasses. See, I can't wear it like that, right up here. Ooh. I like them, but I feel like they're partially in the way of my eyelashes. I feel like my eyelashes are like on the lenses, like, hi. This is What's Tea looks like on me. I really do still like it though. The wrapping around the face part is kind of what I feel like I need to get more used to. As you can see from the inside here too, kind of has like this curved nose piece, like where it sits on your nose. So it's definitely kind of a strange feeling, just a little bit. All right, y'all. That's the last pair I ordered. What are your thoughts? What are y'all's favorites? from what I tried on. So this is a weird angle, but I kind of had a chance to get up, walk around, try the glasses on and look in the mirror, and I have a change of thought on my order of most loved to least loved. I gotta let y'all know, like after like really looking in the mirror, you know, and stuff, like number 1 is Unbothered and Scarlet. Favorite color, so I'm kind of biased, but I really love these. Like I really do. I can see myself wearing this all the time, continuously. It's that pop of color that you don't necessarily need to have in your outfit, but you have it in your glasses, right? Red is always like a kind of like a fiery, boom type of color. It's my favorite color for a reason. And yeah, I'm gonna wear these all the time. That's number 1. Number 2, which I didn't initially think would be my number 2, but after getting up and trying them on, are Petty. Petty's my number 2 pair because like I love that they fit the face comfortably, even though they kind of wrap around your face. It's not like an uncomfortable wrap around. You can even see me. And I love the color green. I wear green all the time, so it'll go with a lot of my outfits. I love that the shading of the lenses are brown, and it's kind of just, you know, it's different. Didn't think I would love it as much when I was first trying them on, but now that I've seen myself a little bit better, you know, these are my number 2. Okay, number 3 is Unbothered and Denim. Why? Because I mean, clearly I love the style. My number 1 shades are in the style. And because of the color of these lenses, it doesn't look like it's gonna block out a lot of the sun. So these are really more for show of like the design aspect of these glasses, right? And for me, they got a special place in my heart because they're my sorority colors. So I have plenty of opportunity and places in which to wear these. And let's say I'm doing something that's not sorority related. Just the fact that they're dark blue like this, I could wear them with some dark blue denim and be straight. I don't need to be necessarily wearing yellow, but I love gold jewelry. That's my jewelry of choice. So like, you know, it works. Therefore, that's why these are my number 3. Okay. And last but not least, what's tea? And it's crazy because the real tea is, I thought this was gonna be my number 1 as far as most loved out of the shades I bought. And it would be unfair to say these are the worst pair because I don't dislike the shades at all, right? There's just a few things about it that the others I don't have an issue with. So, 2 things. Number 1, if you can see, the bottom of these glasses kind of like intersect my cheek, and it's kind of an awkward placement as far as where it sits on my face. So it's just something to kind of get used to, I guess. And secondly, my lashes are kind of touching the lens, so that's a little bit annoying. Other than that though, from a style perspective, these are very subtle shades, but like with a little class, a little hint of 90s, 2000s that I really like. So I like these a lot, but they're just number 4 for the reason that there are little annoyances with them. Ones that I could definitely look past and still rock these, and I love the color of them. This is chocolatey brown, and I love the subtle transition of the brown to the clear in the lenses. And yeah, I just love kind of like that shiny newness to them. But yeah, I love these, just like I love all the others. But out of the 4, if I had to put them in order of how much I love, these would be my number 4. Okay, that's it for this Lorvae try-on haul though. Thanks for checking it out with me. Hopefully y'all got something out of it. Let me know if you got some shades, and let me know which one you like the best down below in the comments, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.